Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and to the 297th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. My friends, it is September and you know what that means? That's right, it is football season. I can't believe it's finally here. Time to fire up the grill and doing some tailgating. So today's recipe, I'm going to make some delicious treats that'll be great to serve for your game day party. We're going to make chocolate peanut butter swirl brownies. OMG, these are the bomb.com. It's going to be so yummy, decadent, full of peanut butter chocolate goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these will be great to make with your kids, and everybody will fall in love with these brownies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my game day recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your peanut butter and your brownie mix sugar because we're about to bake some chocolate peanut butter swirl brownie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have one package of brownie mix and I'm using the milk chocolate, or you can use any flavor. And also we're going to follow the directions on the box, but we're going to make a few changes. Instead of water, we're going to add in sweet milk. Sweet milk is Southern talk for whole milk, and my box called for 3 tablespoons, and it depends on the brand and the flavor brownie mix you use. Some brownie mix call for tablespoons, some of them call for 1/4 of a cup, but make sure you use that for milk like you would do water. And we're going to add in 2 jumbo eggs that let come to room temperature, and some of them call for 3 eggs, so you can use either the 2 eggs, which is the fudgy ones, or the 3 ones for the cake like. And the next thing we're going to add in is some melted butter. This is 1 stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. I use that instead of oil. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract. And all we do is just stir everything together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the brownie mix. Smells so good and chocolatey. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the batter into our pan. We're going to pour it in a 9x13-inch long baking dish that I lined with foil for easy cleanup. Alright my friends, I got my brownie batter into the pan. Now it's time for the fun part. Over here in my bowl, I have 1 cup of creamy peanut butter that I melted in the microwave for 30 seconds, or you can use the crunchy. Nice and smooth. Alright. So now we're going to take $1 of the peanut butter and put them right on top of the brownie mix. My mouth's watering and it's not even baked yet. Peanut butter and chocolate is also one of my favorite combinations. What's your favorite kind of peanut butter? The crunchy or the creamy? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright my friends, I got the peanut butter on top. So now I'm going to take my butter knife and we're just going to spread it like this. We're going to make a swirl. Ooh yeah baby. Alrighty girlfriend, you ready to go into the oven? To bake it, just follow the directions on the box. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, or until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I have taken my chocolate peanut butter brownies out of the oven. It smells awesome in this kitchen. It smells like a Reese's peanut butter cup. All right, so now I'm gonna let the brownies cool completely, and then I'll cut them up into squares and put them on the platter. All right, my friends, there you have it. Chocolate peanut butter brownies. Don't they look delicious? And I put them on my football-shaped platter. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Rich, divine. When you bite into it, it just melts in your mouth. It smells like a peanut butter cup, tastes like a peanut butter cup. Please give them a try. And you can serve these any time of the week. This deserves another bite. Chocolate peanut butter delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat.